What is going on, YouTube? What is going on, fellow entrepreneurs? Today's video is going to be a busy one. I say busy because I have other things going on today, but this thing is also this thing that's happening today in this video is also necessary. Basically, I know you guys remember I bought my second set of vending machines at that water treatment plant, and it already had snacks and drinks and everything like that. I recently went to go refill the drinks. Everything is 1000% okay with the drinks. The snacks, though, were actually close to being expired when I went to go check the drinks. And when I went there, I also dropped off some new chocolates, M&Ms, stuff like that. So those are new as well. Everything else, though, I gotta say I'm a little upset, frustrated. But everybody's situation is different. This is my situation. I deal with it. It is what it is. It's making me work harder. Okay, I got a goal for it. So basically, I don't have enough cars. We only have one family car. Today, I'm actually using the in-laws extra truck, which is actually used by the neighbor, like every day. So they're actually taking a break and they're gonna let me use the truck. So with that said, the items actually expired yesterday, the 26th. Today is the 27th. So obviously I wanted to do this yesterday and take care of it and all that stuff. So, well, it's the 27th from when I record this video. Who knows when I'll be able to post it. But yeah, so as you can see, it's frustrating. I want to take care. I want to be responsible. I don't want to be that guy that's like, oh, we're eating expired goods. Even if it's a day past, it doesn't look good, you know. And I also try to make that happen, make the change happen the week before. But again, I didn't have a car. I had an opportunity on Friday, but the water treatment plants are closed on Friday. So it's like the universe is like, hey, we're gonna work with you just a little bit, maybe not. So Fridays they're not open. That's when I had a chance to restock it. I got right now just enough stuff to fill up some empty spots. When it's done and set and all that stuff, I'll be able to figure out what's next. And a bunch of crackers, little toasty sandwich crackers and stuff like that. So when I take it out, there's at least something. And so yeah, it's frustrating. I wish we had a second vehicle, but just means I gotta work harder. We also have another goal, excuse me, which is fixing my wife's personal finances and everything, because we're trying to buy a house in the next several months, and it's just been a process, eliminating old debts and stuff like that to get 100% in line to make sure everything is good to go. But also, jumping on this whole vending machine business and everything, where I'm needing to be more mobile. And it's like, wow, it would be nice to have at least a second car, even if it's a beater. I'm obviously not dying, like it's gonna die. It's gonna last like 2 months. No. So a beater that's just change the oil, change the tires, fill it with gasoline, take care of the fluids, all that stuff, and it'll take care of you. Something like that hopefully comes down the line, but it's just another one of those steps. It's gonna happen. So it'll be nice if I get a second vehicle. That's one of my goals. That'll be something that'll be documented on here too. Like, hey, I finally saved up, enough to get a secondary vehicle and all that stuff. But yeah, so we're gonna go to that water treatment place and exchange all the bad goods and leave in the good goods in there, and we'll actually take a sneak peek at how much we've made. It's not a collection day. It is a be responsible vending machine guy day. Okay, we don't want to be that guy. This is like, this guy's irresponsible. Okay, so I'll see you guys in a bit. We'll go to the water treatment place. Stay tuned. All right, guys, we're actually back here at the water plant right now, and so you guys remember, these are the machines right here. You got the snack machine, which is it's all gonna get taken out except for Hold on. I know the Funyuns are good, combos are good, and everything that's a chocolate right there is good. But everything else is gonna get taken out, swapped out for whatever we can fill in from there. And let's actually take a look at the soda machine right now. Also, I apologize if my voice is kind of, you know me, always recovering from some form of sore throat or something. So, okay, so come on, you spinning thing. One thing I hate about this thing is the amount of spinning. There we go. Well, I hope you guys that are watching, I hope you guys are having a more exciting vending day, as in just restocking and collecting. Here, more inspecting and making sure everything's good to go. Also, having a continued issue from last time. Before I open this, here, watch this. You see it says, try another selection. I checked it out last time when I restocked it. I wasn't able to record. I don't know exactly what's going on. I took off the, this thing takes forever. There's the metal plate. There we go. Metal plate right there, right here. I took it off, and I'll show you guys a picture. Basically, everything else is good except for this one. This is the Mountain Dew one. It's completely full, obviously. And they've been buying some Coke and some Sunkist and Diet Coke. Let's see if I can actually take this off with one hand. Without slicing my hand open. Ooh. There we go. So as you can see, one thing is not like the others as far as those three, right? I don't know. I'm not a vending machine specialist, but this clip is in there. That clip is in there. That clip is not in a notch. So, one of you guys knows how to fix that, please let me know. I tried to Google something, said something about pressing the brass notch on a magnet. Nothing happened, so yeah, I'm gonna have to fix that. So there's that, and let me skip to closing this up so you guys can actually see the snack machine. Alright guys, like I said, I'm going to swap out all the snacks on here, so let's actually check out the snack situation. And I did say I was going to do a sneak peek as to how well the machine is doing, so I apologize for the soda machine. I was so focused on the fact that that one slot's not working. It's actually bothering me a lot, but it is what it is. So let's take a look here. This is the slide out mechanism on this one, and I just realized that you could do this. On this one, when I say this, I mean take out the bill collector at least, but let's see. Apologize for the camera movement. Okay, so as you can see, not too well. It is what it is. Let's, you gotta keep on going. You gotta keep on going. Okay, so let's get that plastic bag. We got a plastic bag. Plastic bag and some gloves. Apologize for the mess that I have here on the table. But the plastic bags. Also, what do you guys think? What's your opinion? These are a day expired. They do have preservatives. Do you just throw them away? You throw them away, or you give them away to some people who are obviously would love to have some food? Or do you think that that's a bad idea, giving them 1 day past expired food? Personally, I think that these things are still good to eat. It's just professionally, it just doesn't look good when it's past the sale date. So I'm going to collect them all, and I'm going to give them away to a family that's needy, or someone who I see on the side of the road that's homeless or something like that. I just feel like it would be wasted to throw away just 1 day expired food. I mean, come on. What do you guys think in the comments below? If I'm doing something wrong, if I'm doing something good, please let me know. All right, so let's get to this emptying out the snacks. Alright guys, so we finished stocking the snack machine, well, swapping out all the 1 day expired stuff for the brand new stuff. Here's the vending machine now. I actually filled up more than I expected. I thought half of it was going to be empty, but we're actually doing pretty good. It's not terrible looking, and this is the bag. This right here. This is the bag of goods, 1 day expired goods, that's going to find a new home for someone who doesn't mind 1 day expired food. Not that it's a big deal. There's lots of stuff there. Hopefully, like I said, it's a homeless family that really needs food. Snacks are considered food, right? Yeah, snacks. So again, I apologize for my voice being so down in the dump sounding, but yes, this took a while. Again, you know, I'm dealing with that upset from the Mountain Dew. Now it's even, I have to come back and put a note on the Mountain Dew button, because now it's not even saying select another option. Now it's just accepting your dollar and spitting out a quarter, you know, in the change, but not doing anything. So I'm gonna put an out of order until I get it fixed by someone more professional than me. But then we'll be back in action on that one. Also, this one I know is bothering me. These are $1 and then these are 85 cents. I don't know if I want to have both peanut butter and the raisin. I'll just probably have these two. Move them to the side, and then put like some honey buns and Big Texas buns in there. Big Texas buns, you know what I mean. And but yeah, I know I sound a little tired. Excuse me. I'm also recovering from another cold or whatever got going on. So anyways, I'm here trying anyways. I'm here for you guys. So if you guys like what I'm doing, please hit that like button. Any questions, comments, concerns, any helpful tips on that button, please let me know, please. And if you definitely like my channel, what I'm doing, please hit that subscribe button. There'll be plenty more vending machine videos coming up, especially those, the first collection videos coming up very, very soon. So stay tuned for that. So, yep, subscribe, like this video, comment with that helpful information or anything else, and I'll see you guys in the next one.